Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm really excited to kind of showcase a product that I've really been wanting to look at for quite some time. I ordered this online from their website, and what I'm talking about is the Guardian Angel lighting kit. So those of you that are familiar with Guardian Angel, they do a lot of lighting systems for EMS, law enforcement, firefighters, construction workers. And what they are is they're a magnetic wearable safety light. It's extremely bright, and I can definitely attest to that. So what you see behind me here, this is the package that came in the mail here today, and I'm really anxious to show you guys this product. Stay tuned in the video. I'll give you a link in the description to check them out. If you want to, you can use my discount code, and it'll give you free shipping on all orders $99 and above. But what I'm viewing here today, this is the Guardian Angel Kayak lighting kit with remote. So anyways, we'll get right into it, guys. So just like I said here, got my package, kind of got it open here, and I thought it was really cool because they give you this really nice carrying case. It's kind of a little clamshell case. It's very similar to a bigger GoPro case, if those of you that have the GoPros that, you know, but I do like this, got a little carrying handle. It's adorable. So opening it up here, you see, again, the components, plenty of room in the box, the receipt, throw that to the side, the packing material, but comes in this really nice little box, and inside that box is the product. So what you got is you got two mini lights, which are visible up to 3 nautical miles, which is insane. And that's at the highest setting. At the lowest setting, you're still 2+ nautical miles. So you're very well within the range of the requirements for kayaks in low light conditions, namely early in the morning or really late at night. The cool thing about this is the magnets. So it is mounted on kayaks by a 12-pound magnet. The cool thing is they include the tethering, so if you're doing it on the very front of the kayak, you can mount the magnet. It's got a little 3M tape on it that is really made for adhering to plastics, and then also you can tether it. That's just basically if something were to happen where you accidentally knock it off that 12-pound magnet, which is going to take a lot, you're still tethered to the kayak. These things are waterproof, so these can be submerged in water. They're crush proof. I've seen videos of people throwing them up against rocks, running them over with vehicles. I'm not going to do that. There's videos out there if you want to check them out. I'm not that dude. But anyways, the light system, I've owned one of their Elite series for quite some time. It's the orange and white light. I don't use it on a kayak, but when I saw they did kayak lights, they've done them for a while, and I guess I just haven't checked in it for a while, but I was really excited to see they had this kit. They've got a few different kits and a few different options. This one has the remote. So to me, that's more of a safety option, and talking with Guardian Angel, they said they've got a lot of feedback from people who didn't like having to climb on the tip to turn their light on, and the same thing with the bow, and they were afraid that they were going to tip in, which makes sense. Not everybody has a big 41-inch wide kayak that they can just walk around on. So this one here, it's remote controlled, the remote is waterproof, and it comes with a little floating keychain, which I thought that was just, the smallest things impressed me, but I thought that was really thoughtful. Because again, if you drop it over, if you get a fish, or if you're just floating around, or if you tip over and that falls out, that thing's not going to sink, and you're going to have a way to still control your lights. So why this kayak kit is important? Well, it's a safety feature. How bright your lights are going to give boaters and other kayakers knowledge that you're out there. You're going to have the white light on the back, you're going to have the red and green on the front. Contrary to popular belief, the red and the green is a requirement for motorized kayaks, but that can be done for all kayaks. Namely, the non-motorized vessels under 30-something feet can be lit the same way that the motorized are. Basically, you've got enough light on there to let people know within the 3 nautical miles that you're there. You also have a setting on there and on your remote for the SOS signal. So if you're needing to get distress, you can hit that, things are going to flash, things are going to go crazy, and it's going to let somebody know that you need help. So is this worth it? I paid $189 for this. I absolutely think it is because, again, there's no wiring, no batteries, no drilling in your kayak. This magnet is absolutely just rock solid, and it's such a small package, but such a powerful product. So I'll do a little demonstration here for you. I'll turn the lights in the store down and show you how bright this is. It's probably not gonna come through that great on the camera. You're gonna see it's bright, but you're not really gonna know how bright this is until you actually see one of these. But anyways, definitely check out the affiliate link I've got down below. You can use a coupon code. It's 1828CLIP or 1828 clip. That's what they gave me, so that's what I'm going to use. That's going to give you free shipping on orders $99 and above. And this kit is 100% worth it. I can't wait to get this on my kayak. It's pretty universal. It's going to go on pretty much everything. Those of you that are running the bow mount motor, you can kind of rig it up to be on the motor instead of on the kayak. There's a lot of different options there for you. They do have some other, some other products as well. They've got a little mast light, which is basically a longer rod that you can put the white light or the red and green one up top there. That would be an option too if you're running the motor on the front. This is the rotatable marine extender pole mount. So basically what this is this is something that you can attach on your Blackpack Pro, either on the lid or on the side. You've got the little magnet mount on there, and it just, again, if you just want a simple white 360-degree light, this may be a really good option for you. So check out their website. I'll have a link down in the description below. I'll have a discount code that'll basically just save you free shipping on all orders $99 and above. But honestly, I bought this with my own money. This wasn't provided to me on the kayak kit. They did send me some of these just to kind of test out, and I'll do that in a later video. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching the video, and we'll see you on the next one.